Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to file for an election recount. Just tab on this browser on this official website. So recounts are conducted at the state level rather than the federal level, even the federal office. Manual or hand recount involves each individual physical representation for vote. So intent being reviewed for a voter intent by one or more individuals. So the winning side will usually encourage the loser to waive the recount in a show of unity and to avoid spending taxpayer money. So criteria for optional recounts: some area permanent recount for my any office or mayor, while other require that the margin of victory be less than a certain percentage before. So the option to stop the recount at any time. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.